So, actually, I got to know this through Facebook site.
Hmm?
So I tried different. There are different courses are there, institution are there. So finally, I decided to go with the English language. So that's
Okay,
and I
that's.
have completed one month, and the experience was quite good.
Mm-hmm.
I would say definitely I'm going to renew this today.
Oh, okay, that's great.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and so what was good about TEL? You said your experience was good, so if you can tell us something more.
So it's a motivating and the fear which we have. Actually, I'm good in writing and all that, but when the comes for the for speaking, then I was just fumbling. But now
Hmm.
this I'm feeling better. So now I started to open up. So that's a good, and trainer is also was also good. So it's a quite interactive session with the trainer,
Okay,
and
and
uh,
yeah.
and they are fixing my problems wherever grammatical problems. So thing is,
Uh,
it's require a lot of practice. So the thing is, I'm getting the practice, right practice.
hmm.
So I'm very hopeful within next 2 months. Definitely, I would continue with you next 2 3 months. So
Okay,
that
that's great.
yeah,
And would you like to recommend the course to anyone if?
definitely,
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
All right, that's great to know. And is there anything that you want us to improve?
It's sometimes we find difficult to for this interaction network connectivity from the trainer side but
Mm-hmm.
that's such a part of parcel of the life
Yes.
because nowadays that data traffic is too heavy, so everybody is connected through internet, and so that could be a reason so that 1 or 2 days we couldn't get the connection, and
Mhm.
since now we have already started the working. Now lockdown has opened now, so thing is that key. Uh, we don't want to miss the classes at that particular time, because that
Yeah.
time we were at the home. So,
Hmm.
uh, so
Oh, so how are you managing
um,
time with office and classes?
it's a managed basis because I opted for 8 o'clock batch, so it's a quite manageable.
Okay.
So that's not a problem.
All right. That's great. And thank you so much for taking out time and giving us this feedback.
Yeah,
Is there anything
yeah.
else you want to tell us?
No, thank you. Just keep on doing good job. That's
All
it.
right. Thank you. Thank you so much.